Welcome back, Shade Squad. Today we are going to talk about what stocks to buy right now in the crash. But first, make sure to knock out the like button in the next 5 seconds.
Do you ever just get down on your knees and thank God that you know me?
Alright guys, it's Friday. Hopefully everyone's having a great start to their weekend. Well, if you work, then it's probably not a great start to your weekend. But it is a great start for the stock market because we finally found some green, right? Just day after day after day this week of just red. We finally get a green day. Here are my thoughts on the situation. We're at a key level of blah, blah, blah. All right? Key level of support. You know what I'm going to say. That's why I said blah, blah, blah. You already know what I'm going to say. Blah, 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 right? Key level of support for a lot of stocks. The most important, look at Sybil. Damn. This is why I told people to buy, but people don't listen. But I'm going to go down the watch list real quick, and I'm going to tell you right now the stocks to buy if you want to make easy money. Sybil stock. I'm literally just going to knock them out. Sybil stock. APLD. Sybil stock price target of one penny. APLD price target of 50, 75, then 100. IonQ under the purple line every time it comes under. Price target of 100. Rich Tech Robotics price target of 10. Purple line. A lot of people have been messaging me going, wow, how did you know it was going to come down to the purple line? And I told them the exact same thing I always say. It's going to happen. It's going to come down nice and cheap. This is just part of the game. We go up. We go down. That's it. You make a lot of money when stocks sell off. So, Rich Tech Robotics, it's a buy, sell at $10. That's my price target personally. I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't know why people always talk about time and how long it's going to take. It doesn't matter. What matters is that it gets there. It doesn't matter how long it takes. It can take years. I don't care. It's about making money. Rigetti near the purple line, right? Massive discount from highs. Personal target, 58, and then 75. NVTS, touched the purple line here, bounced. Touched it again, bounced, right? So same thing, 826, it's a buy. NVTS is a buy. Sell target at 15, then 25. Riot, it's a buy here, under the purple line, right? At the purple line, actually, literally right at it. This is a buy. Sell target of 20, 25, then 30. Like, there's just so much opportunity. It's hard to really... It's like, man, where do I put my money, right? Hood is a buy. Sell target of 150. Sell target of 175. Then 190. Then 200. Again, where you take profit is on you. MP, same exact setup, right? Purple line. Buy here. Take profit at 77. 100. There's potential for 50 to 100% on a lot of these. This is why I tell people, be patient. Patience literally pays. UEC, finding support here. It's not at the purple line, but if you want to buy here, sure. Sell target 15 and 18 and 20. Palantir, yeah, this is a buy. Big buy. It doesn't even matter that it's not at the purple line. This one's one of those stocks where you can just buy it whenever. It's always going to go up. So... it's a buy. You're getting a massive discount from highs. What is it, like 15% off? Yeah, 15% off from highs. That's insanity. 15% discount. Can you believe you're getting 50% discount? This thing rarely gives discounts, but when it does, oh boy, take advantage. Sell targets of 200 and 225 for me personally. NUAI, I know nothing about it, but if it does follow through on its on whatever the hell it's doing, because I'm not going to pretend like I know it because I don't do due diligence. I stick to what I know and what has an established. I stick to established companies that are trending and their revenues and sales are going up. So I don't know anything about this one, but if it holds here, sell target of 8, then 12, 8, 10, 12. SoFi, I bought some here. Hey, I might add more. What am I doing? What am I stupid? I'm gonna add more. What am I dumb? What am I dumb, guys? Right? Let me alert some because goddamn. We're getting discounts. And I love discounts. So SoFi, sell targets of 32, 35, and 40. Again, don't ask me how long it's going to take. I don't care about the time frame. I just know I'm buying and holding, and I have the patience. I can wait. Soundhound under the purple line, getting a massive discount. Sell targets of 20, 25, and 30. Tempest, sell targets of 75, 90, and 100. This is the good thing about stocks dumping, is eventually we're going to go back to a new high. So we know that at the very least, it's going to come back to its previous high, which is a lot of money to be made. Even Nvidia here, from where it is right now to previous highs, that's 10%. Goddamn. Nvidia, that's a buy. That's a buy. Take profit at 200, 220, and 250. And I think it's going to go to 300. Again, that's all of this is going to take time. It's not going to go there immediately. Too many people want like a straight like green candle all the way up. Like that's not how it works. We're all about the patience and making easy money. Do you know why we rarely lose? We do lose, but it's rare because our strategies work. Number one, and we have the patience more than anything. The patience is everything. This year, this month so far, we're up like I think above 2K and over. So yeah, it's just. Yeah, have we lost this month? Yeah, no, we haven't lost, I think. Have we? I can't remember. And I can't remember. Maybe, I think did we take one loss at least? I think maybe? I don't remember. I don't know. Someone remind me if I'm wrong, but I think we haven't taken a loss this month. So, we're playing it safer, that's why. Fun strat, that's a good one for long term. For long term, I would give it a sell target of 50. For a nice double, if you're willing to hold it for a few years, maybe a year or two. If you're looking to flip it, 26, then 28, then 30. I know people like Bitfarms. Again, massive discount from highs. If you believe in whatever the hell this does, I mean, it's a buy. It's near the purple line. It's not exactly at it, but it's close enough, right? It's near it. So there you go. Sell targets of, let me see, what's next? 350, followed by 480, then all-time highs, 6.4, or previous highs, I should say. Meta, I know people want to buy your Meta calls. I don't know if it's the time to be buying Meta calls, but if you want to buy Meta leaps, if you got the money to buy some leaps, hell yeah, buy them as far out as possible and you will bank on the way back up. Because this will go eventually to 700, then back to 800 here at the highs. So it loves to do this. It loves to come down under the purple line nice and cheap, right? And then it goes back to new highs. So I would say if you want to buy calls, I would wait one more day. Wait till Monday to see if we actually bounce. Because this could easily just be a pullback and then we just keep going lower, right? Like we're still in a downtrend. So it could easily just, today it looks good and then boom, it just drops lower. So I would just give it one more day. Too many people, obviously, they want to time the bottom and make lots of money. Screw all that. Let's just be patient and disciplined. Let's see, what else? What else do I like here? Where's BBAI? There's BBAI. Yeah, BBAI, wait for 6 and under. Let's wait for 6 and under. USAR, under the purple line. You know what? No, you know what? I can't give USAR a buy. Stick to MP Materials because that one is backed by the government. Mara is a buy at 10 and under. Every time it goes down and under 10 and under, it's always a buy, right? Goes under 10, nobody wants it. Boom, goes to 19. 10 and under goes to 19 again. 10 and under goes to 30. 10 and under here went to 24. So every time this goes to 10 and under, it's always the biggest buy opportunity ever. So if Mara comes down to 10, that's a buy. Let's see what else. What else do I actually care about? Netflix, I do care about this one. It's under the purple line, doing a forward stock split. It always comes back up to new highs. Got to give it time. Be patient. I think this is a buy as well. So targets of, I guess it doesn't matter, but yeah, let's wait till the forward stock split, and then I'll give sell targets. I think that's it. But the biggest concern here is Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is still trending to the downside. So until we break out of this downtrend, if crypto keeps going down, the market follows. So let's just be very cautious here because we're not out of the woods yet, right? Here it looked like we were going to get out and start going to new highs, but nope, it was just a fake out. Boom, we go lower, right? Here it looked like, oh my God, this is it. We're going to go back up, and it dumped lower. You notice that? Look at that. Green day after green day. And then boom, we just drop, right? Green day after green day, boom, we just drop. So that's what I'm saying. Like, still be careful, right? Like, now's not the time to be going aggressive and going big, because we could easily do this and then drop. That's why I keep telling people dollar cost average, because we don't know. We don't know if it's gonna, if it's gonna go up and then just go down to like 86K. And then obviously the market's gonna come down lower too, because it tends to follow. All right, guys, that's it for the Friday video. There's only going to be one video this Friday. This Friday, only one video, because I think the most important thing is for me to communicate to you what is a buy and what I think is going to make money on the way back up. All this selling pressure will come back as buying pressure, and everyone will be happy. Everyone will be excited. Everyone will be, jumping and, patting themselves on the back. Ooh, I'm such a genius. And then the cycles we repeat will go down nice and cheap, and everyone's going to be scared, and so on and so forth. Seriously, this is the time to be buying. I told you they would come back to the purple line. Here we are. This is not the time to be scared. This is the time to be like, hell yeah. I'm about to alert some more shares that I'm going to buy of my favorite stocks. I'll see you. Patreon.com/shadesandtrades. Join the Discord, because look. You join the Discord, you're not going to regret it.
Sometimes in life, the gods smile upon you, my friends.
Patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. As you can see here, Shane, cool, thanks, man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. I really appreciate your work. I did take profit. I love this. Jeff, advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. That's it for this episode of the Stock Market Show. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys.
Back these crossing, I take my chance. Risk is managed, I let